Namaste, this is S.K. Batin Raman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we discussion about the autonomic nervous system. At first we discussion about the autonomic nervous system. Now we discussion about the nervous system. Nervous system is totally fibrous, small, tiny fibrous system which is connect the every type of organ to the brain. Brain is a main function of any kind of thing. Like connect with different type of function, with different type of producers, different signal are submitted. So it is a big process. So this video is divided into two categories. We at first discussion about autonomic nervous system, just really about a focus on autonomic nervous system. Then we go for the any other function, any other system. So now it is the main class we focus on infant. So it is the mainly belong to the infant. So we discussion about it briefly. Okay, it's a briefly because of it is the higher class in for the infant student. Now we discussing about a lots of things in autonomic nervous system. Now at first you see that different type of autonomic nervous system are the divided into autonomic nervous system into divided into three categories: sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric nervous system. Now we go for the autonomic nervous system. At first we discussion about a different type of category of nervous system. Nervous system is different categories by the two category. One is central nervous system and other one is peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, we are talk about a centrally acting. What is the centrally acting? What is the drug of centrally acting? Now you see that the centrally acting drug is centrally focused on the brain or spinal cord. Central nervous system are the divided into two categories. A central nervous system divided into two categories. Which category? One is brain and other one is spinal cord. The brain is focused on brain or how to process in your brain, and the any kind of information are sent in your down position on your in any kind of heart, not any kind of heart is a heart, just a heart and eye, different kind of nose and secretion, different type of organ, different type of secretion, different type of gland, early controlled by the any kind by the central nervous system. And mainframe is brain. Brain is a mainframe which control the all over the our body control system, like secretion, any kind of secretion, any kind of like parietal gland, okay, parietal gland, and different type of secretion, HCl secretion in our stomach, and different type of organ are different type of work, secretion related work, like any kind of heartbeat increase or decrease is also are controlled by the brain. Okay, and any kind of food are eat are when our food are eat are secrete the any kind of blood juice, HCl juice, it's controlled by the any nervous system. So central nervous system is a control the everything, but somehow we are tiny fiber which is the regulate the central nervous system to provide the any kind of signal in the heart or any kind of organ by the autonomic nervous system or different type of nervous system. So nervous system are categorized by the two group. In one is autonomic nervous system, other one is one is central nervous system, other one is peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is categorized by one is centrally active like brain and the spinal cord. Our peripheral nervous system is divided into two categories: autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system are divided into three categories. One is sympathetic nervous system, other one parasympathetic nervous system, and enteric nervous system. And somatic nervous system are the muscle. Like somatic nervous system is not a voluntary movement related. Like muscle movement is by in this category. Somatic nervous system is muscle related. Like muscle movement is a voluntary movement. It's a category of voluntary movement. In autonomic nervous system, autonomic ANS nervous system are the involuntary activity are controlled. Okay, so autonomic nervous system divided into categories: sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and enteric nervous system. So sympathetic nervous system are the very complicated and the use properly, like a flight and fight system. Like you have a fight something, someone else, you like see some snake, horse, any kind of thing. Like horse, you someone is someone who is beating you. It's fighting the sympathetic nervous system. Somehow you how much is relax. You take some food and relax somewhere. It's a only controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, so parasympathetic nervous system is relax and a relaxed condition or maintenance, and other one is parasympathetic nervous system and control the flight and fight system. So flight and fight nervous system are dependent on how to flight or with talk with someone else, and the fight with someone other thing, and is afraid of something else. It's only controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. But somehow parasympathetic nervous system is controlled the your relaxation. Or enteric nervous system is the other part. It's controlled your gastric juice, a different type of control of different type of processing, secretion, any kind of gastric juice, and like different co-transmission like substance B, different type of dopamine, and any other thing are secreted by this thing. Okay, so sympathetic nervous system not a particularly dependent on the any kind of adrenergic nervous system called the adrenergic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, and parasympathetic nervous system is controlled by the cholinergic nervous system. All sympathetic nervous system are cholinergic. Or sympathetic nervous system not a cholinergic, but all cholinergic nervous system not a adrenergic nervous system. Every cholinergic nervous system is converted to the cholinergic nervous system, but somehow every adrenergic nervous system is converted to the cholinergic nervous system, but not cholinergic nervous system is converted to the adrenergic nervous system. You see that some cholinergic nervous system will take this place, and see that some cholinergic nervous system, adrenergic nervous system are controlled controlled by the ONS, by the cholinergic signal follow. But somehow you see that adrenergic nervous system will convert to the cholinergic nervous system and properly. It is the main focus. So sympathetic nervous system are different procedure are doing. So we discussing it briefly, but somehow we discussing about how it's work our sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and any kind of enteric nervous system we discuss in this video. So you see that somehow you some secretion, any kind of secretion, it's controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. Something is decrease the secretion is controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. So depend on how to secrete or not, it's controlled by the sympathetic nervous system or parasympathetic nervous system. In you treat like you advanced student, you are a infirm student, so treat like as a advanced student. You are not a BPharm student, so that's why I discussed about a sympathetic nervous system is briefly. So we discussing about a sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, as well as enteric nervous system, because enteric nervous system, it is the mainly it's advanced thing. So discussion about a also discussion about a non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic co-transmission. What type of the non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic co-transmission? It's a transmission system which is follow the different condition. Like how different condition, you have a somehow affect the any gastric secretion like substance P or GABA or different type of dopamine. It is the mainly focus on non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic co-transmission. It is a co-transmission of any kind of proper secretion like cholinergic nervous system and anticholinergic nervous system or adrenergic nervous system or anti-adrenergic nervous system. Depend on how much you secrete or not, which depend on secretion of substance like cofactor related. Like you, my mainly adrenergic neurotransmission is epinephrine, non-epinephrine, and the epinephrine also adrenaline, cholinergic. It's the mainly function is mainly control the every vital organ, but somehow substance P is a dopamine and others of things are controlled by this thing. So you see that somehow is secreted control the any kind of thing. So controlled by the any kind of other chemical. So controlled by in research, you are an informed student. So that's why we are focused the mainly vital organ, vital thing. Okay, like sympathetic nervous system will control the heart rate. Heart rate mild to moderate are any kind of increase or decrease by the sympathetic nervous system. Somehow you see that it's depend on your how to secrete or not. But secrete the higher position, higher to lower position. It's sympathetic nervous system higher increase the heart rate, higher contractility or higher by the beta 1 receptor, by the increase the non-adrenergic delivery and increase the non-adrenergic delivery or adrenaline or increase the secretion, but somehow decrease the adrenaline secretion by the cholinergic nervous system. Cholinergic control the any kind of depress the anything. Okay, anything, any type of depression are the controlled by the cholinergic nervous system. Cholinergic nervous system is decrease the activity of any kind of anything. So cholinergic nervous system is control like increase the any kind of secretion, any kind of meiosis are happen by the cholinergic nervous system. Okay, this is the mainly primary discussion about a different type of nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Now after this video, we prepare yourself and discussion about a lots of things about a sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and entire nervous system, and different procedure and control the everything. Thank you so much for hearing.